Congratulations on your recent Kuat product purchase. We are stoked you are part of the family. Here's a quick video to help walk you through the assembly of your Piston SR Hitch Rack. A few things before you get started. Read the user guide before starting the assembly. Locate and audit the provided parts. Lay them out for easier assembly. Turn your Piston SR over and insert 4 T-channel nuts into middle channel slot. Align 2 on the left and 2 on the right. To center the hitch adapter with the Piston SR, align the 2 button head bolts on the Piston SR with the corresponding holes on the hitch adapter. If necessary, adjust your T-channel nuts to align with the hitch adapter bolt holes. Thread 4 M6 by 16 socket head screws and 4 M6 washers into T-channel nuts. Tighten to 11 Newton meters using the provided 4mm security hex key. Insert assembled 2-inch hitch rack into vehicle hitch port and align pinholes. Secure with provided hitch lock. Fully tighten using provided 8mm security hex key. The Piston SR features bump stops to prevent the tire tray arms from opening over center and potentially damaging your vehicle. When using the Piston SR with the hitch rack, these bump stops may be removed to allow the installation of e-bike ramps. The bump stop is held in position by the same bolt that attaches the tire arm to the tire tray. It will be necessary to completely remove this bolt to remove the bump stop. Secure the bolt inside the bump stop. Using a 7mm hex key, fully loosen the nut located on the opposite end of the bump stop using the 17mm wrench. Remove the nut and outer washer. To ease pressure on the tire arm, it may be easier to remove the piston actuator from the arm and tray, but this step is not required. To remove the actuator, remove the 2 bolts located at each end. Remove the inner washer and tray joint, pull the bolt with the bump stop through the tray and remove the second inner washer and tray joint. Then fully remove the bolt from the tray. Remove the outer washer and bump stop. With the bump stop removed, reassemble the joint in this order: outer washer, tire arm, inner washer, tray joint, through the tire tray, second tray joint, second inner washer, opposite tire arm, second outer washer and nut. Repeat for the opposite end of the rack if desired. If you have any questions while assembling your product, reach out to our customer service team at info@kuat.com and be sure to register your product using the information provided in your box. Don't forget, this product is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.